Want to win in Asia? Guesswork won't cut it anymore. Asia is one of the fastest-growing regions, with opportunities across industries from EVs to AI. Yet many companies fail, not because of bad products, but poor market understanding. One common mistake: focusing only on market size instead of competition, partners, and local demand. Another: choosing the wrong sales partner or relying on just one channel. Success in Asia isn't just about having the best product, it's about product-market fit and execution. Winning companies test their strategy first, validate demand, and adapt to local needs. In Asia, success isn't luck, it's strategy, research, and choosing the right market from the start.